Not much. How you been, man?
I'm good, bro. I'm good.
Can I come back to
Good, man.
PD? I'm broke. I'm a broke bitch.
Yeah, we
Uh-huh.
might come back. We might come back to PD.
I don't know, my
That
husband
Miss
be
Maddie Hart
Yeah,
and our
Yeah,
people.
yeah, I'm broke.
Well, we're open for recruitment, so come on through.
Yeah, I'm broke. I used to remember I used to earn like so much money from you guys.
Why don't you talk
Is
to
they open right
your
now?
ex-husband? Or is it your ex-husband or still husband?
Still husband.
Yeah, he just got him a promotion, so better tell him you need a bonus.
Oh my god, I'm gonna tell him that. Alright, I'm gonna call him.
Let's go. Yeah, let's go do it.
Mate, Gremlin, mate. I don't know what you're doing, but you're trying to like cause a problem. You just ran in front of my car. So it's like you're trying to get yourself hit by my car. It's a bit stupid.
Hey, y'all got the person out of the lobby or something?
Right.
You got the person out of the lobby?
Yeah,
Whatever
we got him.
HP. Perfect.
Bro, this sucks.
Stop, sir. Stop. Sir, shouldn't have been running away. Why are you discharging your weapon? You have the right to remain silent. Oh, that's abuse one. Yeah, it does that sometimes. Let's hope. Hold up, Mr. Carly. Hold up.
No, let me kill him. He's a red tag.
Are
I
you
feel
gonna be
like I know
shooting at?
your voice. I feel like I know your voice.
Shots fired. Shots fired. Down the street from Main Street.
Hey, do I have to turn on my hazard lights? Surprise, motherfucker.
Oh, you understand your rights? I read you today.
Bro, I wasn't even shooting at y'all. Shooting these other
What
guys.
the
Bro,
fuck?
shooting at me.
Yo, get out my car, bro.
Oh. Damn, who just killed me, bro? Oh, it's the guy. Yeah, Don. See, Don? You gonna get in. Yes.